Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video. We'll be doing YouTuber's tier list. I made this myself. It's single use, so it's not public. I didn't have that much time, so here it is. And subscribe so we can hit 100 subs and beat my rival Keenan Gaming. Oh, gaming with Keenan. Okay, well, let's get straight into it. First off, we got Mr. Beast. Mr. Beast is pretty cool. His upload schedule is not the best. Although, when he does upload, it's like a good day, so put it as Jelly. I used to watch him, but I don't watch him right like now, because he's just not my type of YouTuber. But when I was little, he was pretty good. B. Same. Oh, and also guys, comment your favorite YouTuber. Next we got Sambucha. I like his like stories and everything. Well, not stories, like his challenges. Dang TDM. I'll put him in A because he's better than Jelly, because I still like his videos. Plus, he was a big part of my childhood. Next we got Jax sucks at stuff. But I'm an A. He knows a lot about geography, like the world. Yeah. Cubehead. Put in B. His upload schedule is the worst. Like, I used to do Rubik's Cubing. Oh, you can go back to my videos if you really want to. Yeah. Next we got Ethan Gamer. He was a big part of my childhood, and he was my favorite YouTuber when I was a child. He still is, maybe. Like, a tiny bit. Next we got Tommy in it. Put him in B. Like, I just don't like him that much. Vsauce. Put him in A. I do like his theories. Like math theories and everything. Dude, perfect. Put him in B. Back then he was really good, but like now, meh. I really liked his water bottle challenges. And that's the whole video. Oh, just flew by in like 1 minute. Well, thanks for watching. Have a great day. And yeah. Subscribe. Woo. Well, if you want to, then you can leave the video, but I'll search up my rival if you guys want to see. It is. This is his channel. We do have more subscribers than him. We have like 10 more. Wait, no. Wait, let me do the math. We have 13 more. But it would be better to have more. So, this is his channel. I'm kind of giving him a shout out. Oh, yeah. Thanks for watching, and shout out to Firefishy, by the way.